Hi there, my name's Kev Felton and today we're going to be looking at the car behind me, which is the VW ID3. There's 7 models of this available with 2 different battery sizes, and they are 58 kilowatt hour battery and a 76 kilowatt hour battery. And they'll give you a range of 260 miles or 336 miles. It comes with CCS and Type 2 connectors, and it will take a maximum charge of 100 kilowatts per hour for the smaller battery and 125 kilowatts for the larger battery. The cost of the vehicle is £10 short of £30,000, so £29,990, and it will take you from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.9 or 7.3 seconds, depending on the battery size. Right, so here we are inside the VW ID3, and one thing to note about this car is there's very few buttons to press. It's mainly controlled through the screen here. Even on the steering wheel there's very few buttons. So at the moment we're on our consumption figures, and this is the data you're going to require if you're doing the training to record. So we've got since start and since charge. We can flick through that, can go into the vehicle and interior and exterior. So we've got various buttons here that we can press. If we go on interior and we press on cockpit, and that says reset start driving data, okay, reset long-term driving data, okay, reset trip recorder, okay. So all those now will be zeroed, and then we can just go back. And if we go back to exterior, and there's lots of other things we can do through here as well. If we go into mode at the bottom there, this gives us our 3 driving modes, so eco, comfort, sport or individual. So if you put it on individual, choose your own settings there through the system. In front of me here, we've got another screen that's basically giving us how many miles the car's done, the 224 mile range, and this here is the gear stick. So this is the paddle to turn from neutral to reverse and to D, and this also has got a B mode as well. The usual indicators and wipers are here, and in front of me here, in between the 2 screens, is the button for the lights. So at the moment that's set to auto, and there's basically nothing here at all. So everything is up here in good eye line for the driver. Another thing to note is that this screen is attached to the steering wheel, so it will go up and down and in and out with the steering wheel as well. So no handbrake to release, it's all done automatically. So we start to move off, and round we go. So in front of me again, as well as the speedo, at the bottom there you've got your range left, and also you've got a blue and a green bar, and the green is charging, the blue is using the power. So at the moment where I'm off, it's going further and further over into the green. And again, I'm not using the brakes here at all. I'm literally just using the regenerative braking. So if we put it into B mode, you can see how it dramatically slows the car down. Okay, so going to reverse, comes up as the camera comes on, and we're all ready to go. Obviously looking round before we move and getting into the space. That's it. So P button here, puts the parking brake on, take your foot off the brake. The power goes out of the system now, so the steering wheel's quite rigid, and then we turn it off via this button here. Right, so when you come to charge your Volkswagen, you're going to be pushing this one in here, and again CCS and Type 2 connectors. We're going to plug it into the car, Type 2, the light comes on, and then you plug this one into your charger. Once you're fully charged, get your key, press the unlock button, and out she pops.